Hi, it's Ben Johnson here from wizardplugins.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add widgets and display Commission Junction products in your widgetized sections of your WordPress theme using the Commission Junction Wizard plugin for WordPress. As you can see, I'm logged into my WordPress admin dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and go down to the Widgets section under Appearance and Widgets. I'm then going to scroll down and find the one that says CJ Wizard Widget, and I'm going to drag it across to the section of my WordPress theme where I'd like the widget to display. And it's now going to open up with a set of options for me to fill in. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to enter a title, and I'm going to call this Featured Products. The keywords field in the widget works in exactly the same way as it did in the Commission Junction shortcode in the previous video. So I'm going to use the same example as before, putting in the keywords Batman and costume. In fact, I'm going to change this to Joker and costume with a plus in front of both keywords, which, remember, means that it will only return products which contain the word Joker and costume in the product title or in the product description. And I'm going to put a negative and put Batman, Catwoman, and leave it as that, as those are costumes I actually don't want to display. You then need to select the amount of products you're going to display in your widget. In this case, I'm just going to select 3. And if you want to, you can limit by advertiser ID, or you can use the global settings that you've already set up in the CJ Wizard admin area. In this instance, I'm going to leave this blank and just set it to use the global options. You can also go ahead and limit by low price, high price, low sale price, and high sale price, the same as you did with the CJ Wizard shortcode. But again, I'm going to leave this to use the global admin options. I'm going to leave the currency as default. I'm going to leave the description as default, and I'm not going to enter a single product SKU. Again, as with the CJ Wizard shortcode, if you wanted to display a product using a specific SKU number that you've actually got, then you would need to enter that into here, and you would need to enter the website, the advertiser ID of the merchant who's actually selling that product in order for the product to be displayed. Once you've done that, just click Save Changes, and our options have been saved. And what we can do now is we can head over and visit the site to see our CJ Wizard widget in action. And if we scroll across, under the widget section, you'll see Featured Products, which was our title. You can see it's returned 3 products, all of which are Joker costumes, which is exactly what we wanted to see. And it's as simple and straightforward as that. And if you wanted to, you could go ahead and you could add another widget into here, and you could put different settings in and then display different products in your widgetized section of your WordPress theme. And if you wanted to display different CJ Wizard widgets on different pages or different posts, then there's actually a WordPress plugin which is completely free called Dynamic Widgets, which you can search for and install onto your WordPress website, and it allows you to specify where you want to display specific widgets. So you could choose to display one of these CJ Wizard widgets on a particular page or post in your WordPress website. So that's it for now. I hope you found that tutorial useful, and I'll see you soon.